Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Amanda here again. So this is the packaging. I did take a little sneak peek. But yeah, so I got the wig, which I'm gonna get into. Drawstring bag, which is branded. I got a little envelope here. A pair of HD wig caps. The envelope basically opens out and it has information on it and stuff. A pair of lashes. This branded elastic headband. That's everything in the packaging. So let's go ahead and get into the wig of the day. Today's wig is Amanda's glueless blonde highlights on luxurious lace deep wave wig, and this is a clear transparent lace. All right, it's actually a closure wig. This I believe is 7x5, a 7x5 lace closure. It looks really good. Everything is pre-done already, as you can see. So it's a wear and go wig. I absolutely love how silky and soft this is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is extremely soft and nice. Actually a 5x7 lace closure wig. Looks pretty wide. It's like a lot of space that we're working with. It's 30 inches long. Okay, the density and everything will be listed, but I love how it feels. It's so good. So this is gonna be a very easy, glueless, beginner friendly type of install because it's very to the point, very convenient. Let me show you guys the inside of the wig. I love the little highlights too. Definitely gives the look of the wig a pop. So this is the cap construction. It has the curves at the ear portion. It got a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, adjustable elastic band, and as I said, the knots are bleached. The front, the hairline is pre-plucked lightly, and it's pretty nice and full. Like, it looks really good. It's good. I'm gonna have a time installing this. As I said, I love how it looks, I love how it feels. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this right now. So let's go. I'm just going to adjust the elastic band on the inside and slip this on. So once I slip it on, this is how it looks. It's extremely snug. Let's give it a shake test. Not shifting easily at all. Very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead. These waves are so nice. Like, what? I'm gonna get ahead and do a little cute glam. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get into right now. But before I do that, I want to just cut away the portion that doesn't have any hair. And everything looks pretty good. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my PS Lux hair wax stick, you know the vibes, right? And I'm gonna lay this really nice. Oh, by the way, before I go to laying it, you have a lot of space working with if you decide to get this wig. Like, I show you guys how wide the closure portion is, and it's bleached nicely, so it's giving scalp, right? So I'm gonna definitely keep the bust down, just elongate that some more. I'm gonna go in with my wax, get it nice and laid.
Oh, yeah. Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me,
That's looking good. And as I say, I love the little peekaboo with the blonde highlights in the front. it's laying nice and flat. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get a little glammed, and I'm gonna come back. I'm all done with my little glam, and this is how the hair is looking. This is literally just after I use my hot comb with my hair wax on the top. Literally, now this is the hair in the state that it came, dry and all. I'm getting minimal shedding when I run my hands through it, just so you guys know, like mostly through the process portions. Okay, but as I said, it's really nice and soft and silky. I love the waves. You guys know I do really have a strong relationship with these kind of textures. Oh my gosh, if that's not the cutest thing. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to put it. Like, I'm gonna get it a little damp for you guys. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray bottle with water, and we're just gonna damp this down. Not drench it though, just, you know, damp it. Look at that, that's already so pretty. Yeah, so that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous, and it will fluff back up quite easily, as I said, because it's just water. That's it. It looks great. Amanda hair did they, like, for the most part, I don't know if you guys realize, but Amanda hair always has great quality. So far that I've like tried their wigs, I can say consistently for the past 3-4 wigs, it's been top tier. So I can tell you that I feel like they definitely have upped their quality, and that's amazing, like, for sure. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Definitely throw on and go vibes. Very quick, very convenient, perfect for my beginners and all the people that don't have all the time in the world, but you want to look stunning, you want to look flawless, you want your wig to look realistic. Yeah, you can go ahead and get you one of these, because it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna put the direct link to get this wig down below in my description box if you're interested. Any deals, any discount code, any sale going on, you know, Valentine's Day around the corner, all that good stuff. If any of that is available, I'll definitely add that information down below. That's it for today's wig look. Hope you guys found it informative, hope you enjoyed. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.